Hello, my name is Arne Spon1 and welcome to my unboxing of this JBL Harman XTREME2 water resistant speakers with Bluetooth, and of course I got the little help from my cat. And she fucked off. Okay. So, I haven't done an unboxing in very long because I never had anything special to unbox. But for today, I'm gonna unbox this. This is very expensive speakers, but if you want some sound, you're gonna start somewhere. Trash. I need to apologize for the setup I got. It's very expensive to do all of this. So let's open up and see what we got. Let's open up. Oh, for fuck's sake. Let's open up and see what we got. The speakers are in here. This thing. So let's pull it out. Let's pull it out. Oh fuck, God, it's heavy as hell. Jesus fuck. Okay, and we pull out all of this trash. Okay, we got this thing, and we got this thing. Now it's empty. Damn it. So, let's see what we got. We got this, we got this, and this, and this is not some of it. I guess I can use that as a stand. Ah, god damn it. Okay. The first thing we're gonna look at, of course, is the speaker. Okay. The first we're gonna look at is this, of course. Okay, the first we're gonna look at is this. God damn it. Okay. The first thing we're gonna look at is the speaker. Find it on notebook. And it is red and big. Okay, you can open that in a bit. And oh, of course. Hold the fuck. Is this really? This is a fucking English one. No. This is unacceptable. Fuck no. No. This is the kind of fucking thing we use. It's not this shit. Oh, okay, yeah. Here we got the one. What the fuck? Is this the English one? Or the American one? But you got like these three fucking things sticking up there. I think it's the American or the English one. No. This is the one we use. This thing. That's the one. You gotta be fucked up. Okay. Okay, everything is there. So we toss this aside. And this side. What we got right here? Okay. So this is everything we got. We got the speaker, and we got this, I think it's like, you place it on these things to carry with you, to like, I don't know, to carry it with you. And we got the charger cable thingy with some orange bullshit on. You shut up. And we got the charger, 2 of them. If you're a special person, use this shit. I'm not gonna. If you're a normal person, use this. No. And here we got the instruction manuals. It comes with 2 instructions. If you see there, it's a little, like it tells you that don't use the English one in normal houses. You use the normal, the one with 2 of them, not the 3. God damn it. And here's some other instructions. It just tells you what it's made of. It's made of plastic. Greta! It's made of plastic! Don't worry about it! And this tells you how it works, probably. And here is the instructions on how to turn it on, how to connect it, what it's connected to. You got the play, the speakers, you can talk to it, say it's a good boy. And wait, what the okay, there's an app you can download that is a quick starter guide. So that's nice. So yeah, this was my unboxing of JBL Harman XTREME2 water resistant, not waterproof, water resistant speakers. And these were expensive as hell. This thing I'm talking about, I don't care, I don't know what that was, but this was expensive as hell. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my review on the speakers. It says everything you need to do, and it got like these big bass thingies, and behind here is a little the fuck did I clip my nails for doing this? God damn. You gotta be kidding me. I can't open it. Oh, I wish I had some program on the PC so I didn't need to bother with this. But okay. This speaker. Thank you for reviewing or check out my YouTube channel. If you want more like this, leave a comment below on what you want me to unbox. I'll try to do my best. If it's not very important, I unbox it with my phone and make an ass out of the unboxing. If you want something a little more professional, I use this camera right there. It's a nice. You're my pretty little boy. But yeah, if you want me to unboxing something else, leave it in the comment below. Leave a like if you like this, and subscribe if you want more. I don't upload very regularly because I just have this as a hobby. I don't make any money of it, so I don't think I do. I'm a little scrub exactly like you. I couldn't help myself. So yeah, if you want more, just say that you want more, and I'll try to do my best. Thank you for watching, and have a nice night. Yeah.